Thrive Pie educational visual novel. When students open Thrive Pie, they meet characters inspired by real classmates. The story unfolds like a visual novel. Players read dialogue, make choices, and are asked quiz questions within the story. Quizzes are context-based and seemingly integrated. For example, when the characters are discussing physics, the player is asked about Newton's laws. It helps students retain information naturally, like remembering a movie scene. We used RampPy and Python-based engine for visual novels and Visual Studio Code for editing and organizing our code. Here's how one of our key features works. This section handles in one of our branching story paths. If the player answers the question correctly, the character responds with encouragement. If not, the game gives feedback and lets not try again. We use variabilities and conditional statements in Python to track players' progress. All of our characters' art was hand-drawn in Procreate, and the backgrounds were created using real photos we took in our city. We want students to see themselves and their world in the game. We asked classmates and friends to test the app. Many said that it was easier to understand science topics when they were part of a story. They especially loved the characters because they felt real and familiar. Based on their feedback, we improved the pacing of the quizzes and made some dialogue more natural. We also added more visual expressions to the characters to show emotions better. Some features are still in development, like adding sound effects, more chapters, and a tracking system for student progress. In the future, we hope to expand Thrive Pie with more subjects, personalized learning paths, and maybe even simple AI to adapt questions to each student. We're excited to have more students fall in love with learning. Thank you.